Welcome to my channel and to my first ever YouTube video. So this is about my experience in Preply, isang online platform kung saan pwede kang magturo ng mga estudyante from other countries. So itong video na to ay base lamang sa aking experience. So, hello, I am Teacher Ivy. Dati akong public school teacher for 5 years and nakapag-work din ako sa private school for 3 years bago ako nakapasok sa DepEd. So, I am now a housewife since nag-resign naman na ako sa DepEd noong 2023. Pero dahil gusto ko pa rin mag-work kahit nasa bahay lang, so eto nag-sign up ako sa mga jobs online and isa dito ay ang pagiging ESL teacher. Okay, so ayun na nga. Kailan ba ako nag-start sa Preply? So I started November last year. Nagkaroon ako ng students for trial lessons. And this month, meron na akong isang regular student. Okay. So, tiyaga lang talaga. And I suggest na aside from Preply, dapat meron kang ibang source of income kasi dumadami na nga yung tutors. So, not every day may booking. Pwede lang kung matagal ka na sa Preply. But I believe darating din yung time na dadami yung students, regular students ko. So, why Preply? I signed up as a teacher sa Preply dahil sa booking system siya. And you can open your own time slot depende sa availability ni teacher or availability mo. So far, wala pa akong na-encounter na rude na student dito sa Preply. Lahat sila mabait, magalang. Yung mga naging student ko, mga 20 and up yung age nila. Meron ding young professionals. So, in signing up, may certificate or license ka sa teaching, pwede mo yung magamit. Pero i-approve pa yan ni Preply. Then, if you want a TEFL certificate, you can go sa teacher record. Okay, ayan. Then, for salary, starting is $3. Ikaw ang mag-set ng rate mo per hour. Pero pag new teacher ka, talagang $3 yung starting rate mo. Okay? So, after a month, pwede ka na mag-increase for other students. Pero yung existing students mo, same rate lang. $3 pa rin sila per hour. Pag trial class naman, 100% ng commission sa trial class mapupunta kay Preply. At pag naging regular mo na yung student mo, doon na papasok yung payment sa'yo. And of course, deducted na din yung commission ni Preply doon. Okay? So, if gusto mong mag-part-time sa Preply, you can click the link below para ma-direct ka sa site nila at makapag-sign up. And I will also include the link or link ng mga companies na hiring ng ESL teacher. Okay? Comment or ilalagay ko lang sa description box below or sa comment section kaya. I think that's all. If you have questions, I will try to answer it to the best of my ability. Yun lang. So, I think that will be all for this video. And then, baka may next video pa. Depende. So, siguro sa next video, papakita ko yung platform ni Preply, yung Preply na account ko para ma-tour ko kayo doon. Okay? So, do not forget to follow my